Hello everybody, how are you? Hope everyone will be good with their families. Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought very special thing for you. As you know, upcoming season, winter is coming very fastly, so we should prepare ourselves for winter. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet hand gloves. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crochet hand gloves. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also so that you can find all type of new video notifications. Crochet hand gloves offer a variety of benefits, specially made with care and attention to detail. Whether you are using them for fashion, comfort, or health reasons, these handmade accessories can have multiple positive effects. Here are some benefits of crochet hand gloves we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is custom fit. Crochet hand gloves can be made to your exact measurements, ensuring a perfect fit. This can be especially helpful for people with specific sizing needs. Stylish and unique. Handmade crochet gloves come in endless patterns, colors, and designs, allowing you to express your personal style in a way that mass-produced gloves cannot. Breathability. The open wave of crochet allows for airflow, which can help keep your hands cool and comfortable, unlike synthetic gloves that may trap heat. Warmth in winter. Made with wool, acrylic, or other yarn, crochet gloves can keep your hands toasty in cold weather while still being lightweight. Comfort. Crochet gloves are often softer and more comfortable than store-bought gloves, especially when crafted with high-quality yarn. Mobility and flexibility. The stretch and elasticity of crochet gloves allows for better hand movement, making them ideal for activities like driving, typing, or crafting. Breathable for sensitive skin. Natural fibers used in crochet like cotton or wool tends to be gentler on the skin compared to synthetic materials, making them a good choice for people with sensitive skin. Eco-friendly. Crochet gloves can be made with eco-friendly natural fibers, that is organic cotton or bamboo, which reduce your carbon footprint compared to mass-produced gloves made from synthetic materials. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful crochet hand glove videos. Durability. Well-made crochet gloves can be highly durable, especially if constructed with high-quality yarn and good craftsmanship. Therapeutic effect. Wearing crochet gloves made from specific materials like bamboo or wool can help with condition arthritis, improving circulation and reducing joint pain. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. So keep in touch with our channel, keep watching more videos. Thank you for giving us some time from your busy life. Bye bye.